Do you ever wonder why some people seem to learn and remember things so easily, while others struggle? One of the brain's biggest secrets to faster thinking and better learning is something called myelination. This natural process strengthens your brain's wiring, allowing it to work faster and more efficiently, like upgrading your Wi-Fi to lightning speed. So, what is myelination, and why does it matter? Think of your brain as a vast network of electrical wires. These wires, called neurons, send messages to different parts of your body and brain. The myelin sheath is like insulation around those wires, helping the electrical signals travel quickly and without interference. Without this coating, those signals would slow down, causing your brain to take longer to process information. Myelination is what helps you react quickly, remember information, and master new skills. Let's break it down with an example. Imagine you're learning to play basketball. At first, every dribble and shot requires conscious effort. You might even fumble the ball. But with regular practice, those movements become second nature. That's myelination at work. Each time you repeat an action, your brain reinforces the neural pathways for that skill, making it faster and more automatic over time. Athletes, musicians, and even top professionals rely on this process to build expertise in their fields. But it's not just about sports and music. Myelination plays a huge role in academic learning, too. Let's say you're studying for a math test. The first time you encounter a new formula, it might seem confusing. As you practice solving problems with it, your brain strengthens the neural connections associated with that formula. Eventually, you can solve similar problems without much thought, thanks to the myelinated pathways in your brain. Now, here's something cool. Myelination doesn't stop when you reach adulthood. It can continue throughout your life, especially when you challenge your brain with new activities. But just as you can strengthen these connections, they can also weaken without regular use. This is why experts encourage lifelong learning and mental engagement. Myelination isn't just about improving performance. It's also critical for your overall brain health. Diseases like multiple sclerosis, MS, occur when the immune system attacks the myelin sheath. This disrupts the flow of neural signals, leading to problems with movement, speech, and memory. Understanding how important myelin is can motivate you to adopt habits that protect and enhance your brain function. So, how can you promote myelination and keep your brain in top shape? One of the best things you can do is exercise. Physical activity, especially aerobic exercises like running, swimming, or cycling, increases blood flow to the brain and stimulates the production of new myelin. Even moderate activities like walking or yoga can help boost brain health. Nutrition is another key factor. Your brain thrives on healthy fats, which are essential for building and maintaining myelin. Foods rich in omega-3 fatty acids, such as salmon, flax seeds, and walnuts, are great options. Other nutrients, like vitamin B12 and choline, also support brain health. You can find these in eggs, leafy greens, and fortified cereals. But physical health is only part of the equation. To truly strengthen your brain, you need to engage it with new challenges. Activities like learning a new language, playing strategy games, or solving puzzles push your brain to form new neural pathways. The more you push yourself to learn and adapt, the more your brain develops those critical myelinated connections. Take learning a new skill as an example. Maybe you've always wanted to learn how to cook. At first, following a recipe might feel overwhelming, measuring ingredients, timing everything perfectly, and using different cooking techniques all at once. But with practice, you'll start to instinctively know how much seasoning to add or how long to saute vegetables. This improvement is thanks to your brain reinforcing the pathways involved in cooking, making you more efficient over time. However, there are things that can slow down or harm myelination. Chronic stress is a major culprit. When you're constantly stressed, your body produces high levels of cortisol, a hormone that can damage brain cells and hinder myelin growth. Poor sleep is another factor. During deep sleep, your brain repairs and strengthens its neural connections, including myelin. Skimping on sleep deprives your brain of this crucial recovery process. To summarize, myelination is your brain's secret weapon for faster thinking, better learning, and improved performance. By taking care of your brain through exercise, healthy eating, and mental stimulation, you can strengthen your mind and keep it sharp for years to come. What new habit will you start today to boost your brain health? Let me know in the comments. And if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more content on brain health, learning, and self-improvement.